The wait is over, Windows 11 users. File Explorer is finally getting the upgrade it deserves, but surprisingly, it's not from Microsoft. While Microsoft is busy fixing long-standing issues like the taskbar and preparing for Windows 12, a third-party app called Explorer Tab Utility is stepping up to solve one of the most frustrating File Explorer problems. Microsoft introduced tabs in File Explorer with Windows 11 22H2, but it fell short of mimicking the seamless tab experience we're used to in web browsers. Enter Explorer Tab Utility, a game-changing app that not only fixes the issue but sets a new standard for File Explorer functionality. With this app, you can finally open folders and external links in new tabs instead of multiple windows. It even lets you open multiple folders in different tabs within the same window, something Windows 11 still can't do natively. But that's not all. Explorer Tab Utility brings features like tab history, allowing you to reopen closed tabs with a simple keyboard shortcut, Ctrl plus Shift plus T. It also offers smart tab switching to prevent duplicate tabs and lets you duplicate tabs instantly with Ctrl plus D. The app runs efficiently in the background, using minimal system resources, and all its settings are easily accessible from the system tray. Before you install, make sure your PC meets the requirements, Windows 11 22H2 or later and .NET 9. If you're still on 22H2, don't worry, this app works perfectly even though Microsoft no longer supports that version. Ready to transform your File Explorer experience? Download Explorer Tab Utility from GitHub, link in the description, and take control of your tabs like never before. And here's the screenshot of the rumors for confirmation and authentication. You can also find the link to the source in the description of this video. What do you think about this upgrade? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and updates from TechVerse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.